Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're doing really good today. Today we're talking about how to get started with American Express and its membership reward program. American Express has some of the best cards for travel, reward points, and other benefits, but they do occupy a higher end of the credit card space. The American Express Platinum card has an annual fee of $695. And that's a really big bill for someone who's just getting started with travel rewards. And they may not know how to get the most value out of this card. And they may not know how to transfer points to transfer partners to get extra value back. But American Express membership reward points are some of the most valuable, some of the most versatile, transferable credit card currencies out there. And they have 13 different airline transfer partners and 3 different hotels that you can transfer to. Transferable points are great because they give you options. You can choose your different travel partners and you can have the choice of high-end travel like flying first class or economy travel and maybe take a couple trips for that same amount of points. Or you can transfer those points to a hotel and same thing, you have that choice. You can stay for a few nights, or you can splurge and do like a once-in-a-lifetime kind of stay at some luxury hotel. Now, we don't need to jump right into the American Express Platinum card. That's probably the most famous American Express card, and there's a few different ways that we can get started. So here are 4 different cards that we can get to get started building membership reward points before we dive into the big boys like the American Express Platinum, Hilton Aspire, and maybe the Bonvoy Brilliant. First card on our list is the American Express Everyday Credit Card. This is going to give you a sign-up bonus of 10,000 membership reward points after spending $1,000 in 3 months. Now, 10,000 membership reward points can be valued somewhere between $100 and $200. $200 on the high end, that would be maybe you'd have to transfer these points to a travel partner and redeem on some sweet spot ticket to get that kind of value. But it's possible. This card offers 2% back at grocery stores and then 1 point back on everything else with no annual fee. This could be a good option if you don't have any cards, you have an okay credit score, and you're looking to build that credit score and build that relationship with American Express. Next, we have that card's big brother, the American Express Everyday Preferred card. This is just a big brother to the Everyday card. This has a sign-up bonus of 15,000 membership reward points after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. This sign-up bonus can be valued somewhere between $150 to $300. Has an annual fee of $95, but you do get extra points back on your spending. You get 3 points back on grocery stores up to $6,000 per year, 2 points back at gas stations, and then 1 point back on everything else. Now those 2 are credit cards. Next one is a charge card, and charge cards are a little different because you're expected to pay off the bill in full every month, and it doesn't have a set credit limit. And these tend to be a little easier to get approved for than a credit card. So the first charge card we have is the American Express Green Card, and this is going to be the first big boy card that we have on our list. Comes with a welcome offer of 45,000 membership reward points, a value somewhere between $450 to $900 after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months, has an annual fee of $150, and then you get 3 points back on restaurants, 3 points back on transit, which is like taxis, train tickets, toll booths, things like that. 3 points back on travel, then 1 point back on everything else. Fourth card on our list is a little higher than the green card, and you probably guessed it. It's the American Express Gold Card. This has a sign-up bonus of 60,000 membership reward points. This can be valued somewhere between $600 and $1,200. Has an annual fee of $250. You get 4 points back at dining at restaurants, 4 points back at grocery stores, 3 points back on flights, and then 1 point back on everything else. This does have a little bit of a higher annual fee with $250 a year, but you do get credits to help offset that. You get $120 in Uber credit. That is $10 a month in Uber Cash that you can use for your Uber Eats and your Uber rides. That's $10 a month that you have to use every month, and you have to use it or lose it, and these don't build up. And if you don't spend it in your first month, then it's gone, and you get $10 the second month. You also have a similar credit with dining, which is $120 a year, $10 a month, and use it or lose it when you order from something like Grubhub or a couple other select partners in the program. There's also a $100 credit on their hotel collection. So if you book 2 nights through their hotel collection portal using your card, you can get a $100 credit that you can use at the property. And these can be different things. It could be dining at the property or spa treatment. And this $100 credit is it'll be different between these credits. Should be easy to get your value out of the gold card to offset the annual fee. Now the spending categories is what's so great about the gold card. You get 4 points back at restaurants, 4 points back at grocery stores. And these are the biggest spending category for most people. So that's my list of the best ways to get started with American Express. If you're still watching, I really appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Got some other links to some other cool credit cards that you can look at to help support the channel so I can make a lot more cool videos for you guys. And then go ahead and leave a comment down below. What card do you have? And then I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.